Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has successfully completed the inaugural flight of its Dhruv New Generation helicopter, marking its formal entry into the civil aviation helicopter market. The flight was flagged off by the Union Minister of Civil Aviation, Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu, at HAL's helicopter division in Bengaluru. Alongside the flight, HAL received DGCA certification for the indigenous manufacture of the Shakti civil engine. This marked the first time an aero engine has been certified by the DGCA for indigenous production. Officials said the certification was achieved with support from Saffron Engines and close coordination with the regulator. HAL stated that the Dhruv NG was progressing towards full civil certification and was expected to complete the process within the next 3 to 4 months. The Civil Aviation Minister described the flight as a major milestone for Indian aviation. He said it reflected the country's push for self-reliance and demonstrated the growing global credibility of Indian-made aerospace products. HAL Chairman and Managing Director D.K. Sunil said the Dhruv NG was central to the company's civil aviation expansion plans. He noted that the earlier civil version of the Dhruv had logged over 24,000 flying hours. He said the new generation helicopter has been upgraded to meet global civil aviation standards with a focus on safety, performance, and cost efficiency. HAL officials said the Dhruv NG was designed as a 5.5-ton twin-engine multi-role helicopter capable of operating in diverse and challenging Indian conditions. The helicopter is powered by twin Shakti 1H1C engines and features a civil certified glass cockpit and modern avionics. Safety features include crash-worthy seats, self-sealing fuel tanks, and high system redundancy. The vibration control system is aimed at providing a smoother ride, especially for VIP and medical missions. HAL said it would offer end-to-end support for civil operators, including manufacturing, maintenance, and upgrades. Logistics support models such as power by hour and performance-based logistics would be used to ensure high fleet availability. With the inaugural flight completed, HAL said the Dhruv NG was positioned as a domestically developed alternative to imported civil helicopters.